Hello, so welcome to this video in which I will tell you how to calculate the mass of a substance from the moles of a different substance. Okay, so for this we have this example right here in which we have that iodine is produced by the reaction of 0.42 moles of copper 2 chloride according to the following equation. We have 2 moles of copper 2 chloride that react with 4 moles of potassium iodide to produce 2 moles of copper 1 iodide, sorry, and 4 moles of potassium chloride and 1 mole of iodine. Okay. And the question here is, what is the mass of iodine that is produced? Okay, so we are going to need the molar mass of iodine that I already have right here, okay, and the balanced chemical equation that we already have. So by using the balanced chemical equation, that is the first thing that we need to do is that we are going to change from moles of copper 2 chloride into moles of iodine, and then we're going to change from the moles of iodine into the mass of iodine. Okay, so we said that the plan is changing from moles of copper 2 chloride into moles of iodine and then into grams of iodine. Sorry about this. Nice. Okay, so in 2 grams of iodine. So now, so let me just erase this and rewrite it here. Grams of iodine. Now we have it. Okay, so the first step is to use the mole ratio to change from moles of copper 2 chloride into moles of iodine. So let's use the mole ratio that we are going to find in the balanced chemical equation. We have 1 mole of iodine right here and 2 moles of copper 2 chloride at the side of the reactants. So let's start with our initial data, 0.42 mole of copper 2 chloride, and then we're going to use here our mole ratio. We mentioned it was 2 moles of copper 2 chloride with 1 mole of iodine. Okay, so the result of this is 0.21 mole of iodine. Okay, so now we have moles of iodine. We already go from mole to mole. Now let's change from mole of iodine into grams of iodine. Okay, that's the next step. So we're going to use the same 0.21 moles of iodine at the beginning here, 0.21 mole of iodine that we're going to multiply here, but now using the molar mass as our conversion factor. Okay, 1 mole of iodine, it's equivalent to 253.8 grams of iodine. Okay, so the result of this is 53.3 grams of iodine. Sorry about this. This is my pen not working right now very well. Okay. I think that now it's working. There it is. Okay, 53.3 grams of iodine. Okay, so this is going to be our final answer. Remember, the question was going from 0.42 moles of copper to chloride, and the question was, what is the mass of iodine that is produced? This 53.3 grams of iodine is the mass of iodine. Okay, so that was all for this video. So remember, you can watch this video as many times as you want to, as many times as you need to watch it. And there's something else here. Okay, remember, if you have like the opposite case, that you're going from mass into moles, okay, are the same steps but going backwards. So you will need to use the conversion factors like in an inverse way. Okay, instead of having grams at the numerator in the mole mass conversion, now you will have to use it in the denominator as you want to cancel grams. Okay, but I think that I'm going to do another video for that. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Goodbye.